Welcome to our recipe for classic chicken Alfredo. Today, we'll show you how to make this delicious and creamy pasta dish that's sure to impress. So let's get started. First, you'll need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Make sure they're thawed and pat them dry with a paper towel. Season them with salt and black pepper to taste. Next, cook 8 ounces of fettuccine pasta according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté until fragrant about 1 minute. Now, it's time to cook the chicken. Add the seasoned chicken breasts to the skillet and cook for about 6-8 minutes per side, or until they're cooked through and no longer pink in the center. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. In the same skillet, pour in 1 cup of heavy cream and bring it to a simmer. Stir in 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and continue stirring until the cheese has melted and the sauce is smooth and creamy. Slice the cooked chicken breasts into thin strips and add them back to the skillet with the sauce. Stir everything together until the chicken is coated in the Alfredo sauce. Finally, add the cooked fettuccine pasta to the skillet and toss everything together until the pasta is well coated in the sauce. To serve, garnish with some freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. And there you have it, a delicious and classic chicken Alfredo that's perfect for any occasion. Enjoy!